My husband and I have a business on B Street. We're part of the group that is being removed from the community. I'm here tonight because I see a disconnect between what is said and what is done in this city and on this dais. I want to bring it to the community's attention at some personal risk to myself. I say that you can't say that your family values, conservative, Republican group concerned about the safety and welfare of this town, law and order, Boy Scouts, our police, when you've permitted marijuana businesses and wholesale hashish growing operations to operate at the B Street location for over 3 years. Law enforcement has seen transformers explode. We've seen city water mains tapped, and this has been going on with the full knowledge of this city's police department, and I assume members of the city council. I don't know why this has been allowed to go on, but it has. I would say you can't sit up there and say that you care about small businesses and small workers in this town when you vote for a project that removes 140 workers and 30 businesses with almost no notice. 3 of those businesses have already gone under. How can you be a business-friendly city when you treat your small businesses that way? It's not, it doesn't fit with the rhetoric, if you hear what I'm saying. I also have one final point. On that site, you know there's asbestos on the site. You know there's all kinds of other hazardous waste, some of which is associated with this activity you've allowed to go on so long. I saw a hazardous waste truck pull up a week ago and take 8 barrels of hazardous waste out of one of these operations. One of these operations, by the way, exploded in Costa Mesa about 6 weeks ago and burnt 7 buildings down to the ground, 7 businesses. I don't know if it's buildings. But it's a very dangerous situation, and it's gone on too long. And I think that it's one thing to talk about having a safe city. It's another thing to have what is obviously a disconnect between what you say and what you do. Thank you.